Career Day is about more than costumes and career dreams. It's about preparing students for realities of today's competitive job market. At Kitson Town Primary School, that preparation started early as students explored a wide range of professions during a dynamic and interactive Career Day initiative. Principal Dr. Donna Jarrett says exposing children to diverse career paths from a young age helps them see possibilities, build confidence, and begin shaping their future. Danita Rodney reports.
Career Day is more than a school event. It is a gateway to the future. It gives students a chance to explore careers, meet professionals, and better understand the skills needed for today's job market. Principal of the school, Dr. Donna Jarrett, spoke of the importance of having Career Day for students at such an early age.
It is necessary to have a career day because students need to have a focus on their life's journey. And based on the mandate of the Ministry of Education, March is Career Month, and we have scheduled this time to ensure that our students are introduced to a variety of career paths.
So it is essential that we have persons who want to engage in agriculture, and agriculture is a wide thing.
So we had the dental hygienist, yes, she came, and then we had the bee farmer, we had persons from PBC, we had the firefighters, and they came with the trucks blaring the horns. And they introduced us to how we can fight fire. And we had the police who came and introduced the different ranks and the different things that they would do and what they would wear. So the students were very informed today.
She describes the reactions of the day.
Oh, it was a very fulfilling feeling. I feel excited from morning, and when they came, they were excitable themselves because they came presenting their different careers. Some were a bit disappointed because the career attire which they came in, no one was present, although we promised them. It has been a very unique career day because we have included persons like PBC this year that we have never done before.
So Nathaniel is our reporter. All right, everybody, quiet on set. Nathaniel is going to interview Neymar and ask him about his last game, okay?
And we continue promoting the different career paths that they can be part of.
And the message she wants to send?
Message that there are some careers that they grew up thinking that they have to do. So we also informed them about a mechanic. Yes, a mechanic was here today. And so it's a wide variety because society needs all the established careers. Doesn't have to be one of the formal ones, but we do need all of the persons working in a field so that we can continue building Jamaica.